Welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Pep and you're watching Pepstories. So guys, in this new video, let's talk about pounds today. Yes, you heard me right. The British pound. It might sound stupid, but trust me guys, it's very essential to get familiar with the currency before coming to the UK. After coming to the UK, I initially faced a lot of difficulty and struggle with the denominations. So I want to make it pretty simple for you guys by explaining you how pounds work in the UK. So before we move on to the technicalities of pounds, let me tell you a small story. Once I went to Asda, which is a well-known supermarket chain in the UK. I ordered a ready-to-eat meal for myself, which costed me around 2.75 pounds. From my previous spendings at various stores, I had a lot of coins with myself, but I was pretty unsure of which ones should I hand over to the cashier, as there was a long queue waiting behind me while I was struggling and taking a couple of minutes to figure out my coins. As I looked behind me, the queue was looking at me. I felt a little embarrassed. I gave 2 coins of £1 each to the cashier and also handed her 10 different coin denominations which I was confused between. Some of the coins were pence and some were penny. Because at that time, I was not knowing that singular of pence is penny. I thought pence and penny is totally different, and I was not knowing that even though it is same, some coin has pence written over it and some coins have penny written over it. The cashier took the coins she needed and returned me the rest. It was kind of embarrassing though, as I was not used to the coins here, and that's the reason I decided to make this video for you guys, so that you don't face any problem like I did when you moved to the UK. So now let's talk about the technicalities of pounds. Firstly, the official currency of United Kingdom is called as British Pound Sterling. We often call them as pounds, and talking about the exchange rate, it keeps varying. But you can think of £1 to be average of 100 Indian rupees. Here in England, we have £50 note, £20 note, £10 note, and a £5 note. And coming to the coins, we have £1, £2, and other coins which are known as pence, like 50 pence, 20 pence, 10 pence, 5 pence, 2 pence, 1 pence. Some coins might also have penny written over it, and don't get confused, it's same as pence. So for example, just like me, if you go to Asda and you shop groceries worth 15.55 pounds, they'll either pronounce it as 15.55 or 15 pounds 55 pence. In that case, you'll have to give £10 note plus a £5 note plus 50 pence plus 5 pence. So I think this was enough explanation for the English currency guys. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Please do comment if you have any queries. I'll be back with more videos. Until then, bye bye, take care. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Pepstories. See you guys, see you soon.